Hi, I'm Logan from the Office of Web Communications. Today, we're going to define a site in Dreamweaver in 60 seconds or less. Defining a site in Dreamweaver is a crucial step in editing a website properly. A site in Dreamweaver will be an exact copy of your live website stored on your local computer or shared drive, such as an S or L drive on a PC, but this could be different based on your setup. When everything is ready, you will upload your local files to UNC's web server to be visible to the public. Before we begin, you will need to know the location of the folder containing your site files. In this example, I will be accessing the web support shared files on the drive Communications. Let's get started. With Dreamweaver open, go to the Site menu and select New Site. On a PC, this will be attached to the window. However, on a Mac, it will be located in the menu bar. There are two fields in the Site Setup dialog box that we need to fill in: Site Name and Local Site Folder. Site name can be any name you would like to use to identify a site by in the Dreamweaver Files panel. In this example, I will use the name Web Support. The local site folder will be the folder where our site is stored. By clicking the folder icon, we can browse for the folder. Once you locate the folder, click Choose. That's it. That's all there is to defining a site in Dreamweaver. However, it may be helpful to specify a location that images will be placed into by default. Dreamweaver will automatically copy images to this folder when importing images that are not already in the root of the site. To do this, choose the Advanced Settings menu from the left of the dialog box and select Local Info. In the Default Images folder field, choose the folder icon and specify a location. After we've done this, all we need to do is save. The Dreamweaver Files panel will automatically open with the new site selected. The Files panel is an important part in keeping track of your site assets. Always move or rename files within the Files panel inside Dreamweaver and never Finder or Windows Explorer. By managing our files in Dreamweaver, file paths and names in related files will be automatically updated as we make edits. We will also receive a warning if removing a file will result in broken links. You can create as many sites as you would like in Dreamweaver, and this is the drop-down you would use to select a new site. Should you need to redefine site settings for any of your sites, you can do so by accessing the Site menu and selecting Manage Sites. This brings up the Manage Sites dialog box. Clicking the pencil icon at the bottom will update the currently selected site. To delete a site from Dreamweaver, simply click the minus icon at the bottom. When I do, we'll get this dialog warning us we can't undo the action. I don't want to delete the newly added web support site before I get a chance to make edits, so I'll hit No. When deleting a site from Dreamweaver, we are only removing the site definition. Don't worry, this won't remove the site from your local computer or shared drive. Defining a site in Dreamweaver was designed to be simple. The only information we need to know is the location of the site and the name we wish to give it. There are many more options in the Site Setup dialog box that we might explore later. In the meantime, happy editing. Should you run into trouble or need additional assistance, drop us a line.